all it is. Look for the rabbit and then put the gun on him. You can't see the rabbit if you're looking at the bead. Good shot, kid. I ain't got one 15 years. Not for skeet, I haven't.
I shot that.
And I've only did it once in my life.
I shot that cat down there at Dorsey Road. That's over 15 years.
Hey. Keep it pointed out front.
Tell him when. Oh. Ready? Oh.
Good job. Hey, that was good.
That was real good.
You're natural. That's it. It's instinct, really. A lot of that is. Fight 3 for 3. Yeah, look, let's take that, carry that thing down there, 100 yards. We'll shoot that blast and got 100. See if it'll lodge that 50 bullet in.
See, you bring it open when it's already in.
Oh yeah, we don't, just so it lays there. Yeah, I ain't worried about sticking it in the ground or not. That's fun, ain't it?
It's fun. Who's up?
Yeah.
Oh, Pops.
I'm never showing him how to do it. I won't even do it to him. I've done it forever. Loaded?
Out.
Oh, you want to pull it? Oh, you want to pull it?
Got a plug here? Two of them?
Yeah, I'll third two. You didn't break it?
Is safety fire on forward?
Yeah, it should take 3 or 1 in the chamber and 1 more.
I say fire's forward, right?
Yeah. Red chili.
Yeah, you can take plug out of it.
You want 1?
Don't get caught.
We'll start with 1.
And duck season stuff, you're not supposed to be able to do it.
Rabbit season.
Just throw one down. Oh! Oh! One more. Oh! I think I knocked the piece off of her. Was that the plug?
The plug went right by it. I don't know how you missed it.
I don't know how I missed it either.
Alright.
Oh yeah, that don't kick. You won't even realize. It's
show
got a
you.
good butt plate on it, Dad. You won't even recognize it. It don't. That's got low recoil. It's low brass too. Seriously, shoot it. You'll be alright. It's not bad at all.
Yeah, it don't kick. Yeah, it don't kick at all. Pull.
Hey, I haven't shot the ski.
Just shoot 1.
I ain't shot in 15 years. Why? I never even shot in flight.
I'm so used to
You want to load it
12
up
gauge,
for it?
it's unreal.
Alright, we're just gonna lay this on one side. I'm taking it out there and shoot it at 100. I'll figure it out. Hey, I got a better idea. Why? Take that out there. Take that all the way down to where that milk jug is down there, all the way in the back. 100 yards. Look, you just lay it on the side. Prop it up against one of them other targets. Like, see that milk jug area? The right target? Just lay it in front of that one like that. Just lean it in there. That's not the milk jug, that target right beside it. That target's going to be there, just lean into it like that.
Yeah, there's a check in it. Yeah, you need the little spanner wrench. Put it in, turn it. Or it'll be like a little plug.
I'm going to run out there with it. You won't have so much air. Oh, I don't get a 5! What do you mean? You want to see a fish?
I'm going to shoot this pistol. days, those things would be like people would shoot those. They have big towers made out of it.
We'll watch. It's gonna rain the next couple days. We'll come out after.
Want to see it?
I'll bet you have a shot of that. Hurry before we get shot. Take cover.
It's underneath your stroller here.
Pull it back. So I'll have you walk into it.
Yeah.
The black one, you see it? No, not really.
Top of this stuff, this stuff, left.
Huh. How is this called? Look at that thing.
Hey.
As big as you are. How tall are you? Are you 37 inches tall?
You gonna shoot that shot?
You want to catch one like that? Whoa. See if you
So
cycle.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Thing we
Target there.
I don't get a 5. Is that it out there, bud?
Yeah,
How much
in front of that orange one. Just to the left of that water bottle has a destroyed.
Yeah. I'll see one more. You want to take a shot?
Me? Don't worry, I won't.
One of them milk jugs. That milk jug right here got water down. You want to shoot that one? It's 80 yards. Oh, you're good.
That's right.
You want that?
Yep. Come back.
So look, Wyatt. I shot that target. Wyatt. That one on the left. It looked like I was only an inch to the right at 100.
You'll see dust fly if you don't. Safety. That button right there pops the clip.
One, two. Shoot that milk jug down there.
Put another one in.
Come here, sit down.
Alright, you're ready.
That was fun.
Whitney.
I don't know if I hit it or not. I aimed for the center the whole time.
Did you bring your circle gun?
It was far, but I don't think Daddy brought ammo for it.
We got a little, but that's self-defense ammo. That's expensive. You want to shoot? You can't shoot.
Yeah.
What you shooting for, Christy?
Just try to bust that milk jug 80 yards.
Okay, I'm
Stay
gonna
right there.
film it.
I'll be buckle you. Yeah. Shot clean over here. That's funny, some of the blades are hot blades.
Probably is a way better.
Take your time. It's got a real soft trigger to it, so it ain't like you got to jerk on it. Just give it a nice
Way better.
That's a deep southpaw.
Like that?
Southpaw.
You like it? suck, don't they?
Just, hey, watch putting your eyeball up real close.
Shut my shotgun.
Don't get no closer than you gotta. Yeah, that might go. Boom.
That's how you come a
An
pirate.
eyebrow, yeah.
Pirate.
Man. That's why I like high power, right? I mean, if you have to, you have to. Super high power one. And that's like, so, like, is that pedal? It's got a low load in it, though, as far as. That muzzle velocity, like shooting 270. You know what I mean?
Really good.
Even though it's a big green, it's not a huge load.
For the revolver.
Now you can go up in load.
Yeah.
Nice shot. That's a load. Did it hit you? Good shot.
You're left-handed?
That hurt my ear.
I got that one.
Pull up more. It's just tight. When that tap goes, there you go. Back it out.
That's what you need on your video. Explode it.
That was a good one. Well, this
I
is
got
what
that one.
Get some tannerite.
I got that 360 GoPro on a tripod. You can set it right down there by him. Look, and then you can turn them on with your phone. You from here, record, and then slow that thing down on a time lapse. And I can break the frames down.
Yeah, how Wendy's right there.
I'll show the bullet.
Wendy's
Yeah,
right there.
you'll see that. That's why I told him to. Good shot. I'm
Very good.
confident in that gun.
I actually got your milk jug exploding.
All right, you want to shoot that 100-yard shot out there?
Yeah.
Mom just put one on at 80. I mean,
Yeah. Yeah, I'll shoot it. You're left-handed, right? I never knew that.
I'm a southpaw.
There's a little
Lost
canvas
that
there.
there. You want to take your hat off?
What's he shooting at?
that target out there, that poly stuff.
Yeah,
I'm gonna shoot one more. I'm gonna let Wyatt shoot one more shell here. I gotta measure all four of these blades. I heard it hit.
Hold it.
Shot down.
Hey. I heard that.
Stand beside it. That's what I was going at. See it blow up.
Yeah, I saw it.
That'd also be a game.
You get ready to shoot your dad's? Then I'm gonna go and make the burger. No, I takes the regular one. Yeah, you like that one? Got it. If I would've known,
That was a water bomb.
I would've taped it.
I'm getting lucky.
Hit you in the head.
One got me in the arm. Hurting hot. Like some of them go back.
I know.
Some of them just drop out.
What? No. You ain't gonna shoot it with no pistol. You can't shoot that one.
No,
Too big.
that's
You
way
won't be
too
able to hold
big.
it heavy.
I'm talking about the clay.
Hey, you want something to cry about? Go sit in the car.
Oh.
What's the shooting clay with the shotgun?
No, he's not talking about shooting the shotgun. He's just talking about pulling the string.
Oh, yeah.
He doesn't want to shoot the shotgun. He
Eli.
wants to pull the string and somebody else shoot the shotgun. I was waiting for him.
A can about that wide and the water bomb.
You guys don't have a tripod.
$100.
You won't be able to hold it up.
That's what came from that.
You gonna shoot
Yeah, don't.
That was
Just, yeah, I know that. When I hold it, I put my fingers like on the.
it might not be.
You don't have to shoot all of them.
That old Magnum.
I just let it. On safety.
That's the old Johnny Miller.
My girlfriend picked up. Not with them.
What? Right. It can. But I don't
Well, you don't
pay
realize it.
No, I don't pay attention.
Bug.
I'm interested in trying to do that.
What's he called? Buzz. Like the buzz.
You gonna shoot that plastic thing? You have to turn that stick all the way up.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll just take one out too.
Where you going, Isaiah?
You want to shoot the polycarbonate?
That'll be loud. I'm getting ready to shoot it right now, the big one.
You gonna shoot it, Wyatt?
He's gonna do 8 10.
Let's go.
We're gonna find out. Go ahead.
What are you shooting? What's he shooting?
That plastic.
We got the second one over, Sandy. It's
She
the
wants to
last.
see any like.
Over
Okay.
this last, up 100 yards.
Okay.
100 yards. He laid it up there.
Yeah. He done?
Go ahead, it's ready. Take your time and get comfortable.
Yeah. What's this one?
If you want to lay down, you can lay
I need
down.
a break. You're heavy.
Yeah. Like that one?
Gears on.
I have to get a rest for that.
Yeah, he laid it out there.
That's it.
if I need to reload. Plus what's in the gun, you know what I mean? I already have one loaded while I'm out. Carry it around loaded. Once you get that thing loaded, it's good. I like it. You better make the first one count.
Yeah.
You get one.
Fun. For the most part, it's
Cool.
Stops it in there with that bullet. That's a ballistic. Hey, we're gonna walk out here. Well, shoot that one. How many more you got? Got one more?
Huh?
Yeah. Dude, this one.
I got a delivery.
Cool.
up over
Oh, now my shoe.
I have no idea.
My shoe.
Them clays are fun.
Are they?
I love it.
Wyatt. Wyatt. Want to see Isaiah do a willy?
Can you take a break?
Oh,
Oh my goodness, you don't have it anyway. How do you have it?
some of it.
Four. Oh, I got it. 359. 359.
Yeah. I want to take this stuff off.
He's right. When you see it, never watch it. 20. It's not really cool. There,
I got a haircut today. I got a
Oh, yeah.
haircut today. You did. It looks nice.
Hey, I look like Elvis.
My hair was like right here. Yeah, I can. When I did that, like my hair was like that tall. His mom got you buckled in. Yeah. And he got himself stuck. He always does that in the cart.
What?
I'm hanging out.
He's buckling it, right?
How do you get that part?
Oh, there.
Hold it down. Tata, come here. Yeah, on the couch. Yeah, I'm going next.
Oh, let's see what you got. What you learn? I hit it. Nick, did I hit it?
Yeah.
I did? Where at?
Like almost to the center.
No.
Almost. It got stuck in that pile of carbon.
Are we all done?
Who threw their hat on the floor? Toda?
I said it right
Are we
there.
done shooting?
I don't want to be, but
Here soon.
Give me it.
Yeah, I'll pull it.
Where's your shoes? Where's your shoes? Where are they? Where are they, buddy?
Oh no! Where's the 22s?
Support part of the outfit.
What? You don't want to walk into that bed.
Hit his face.
Oh, yeah. You want to go?
No.
I'll be easy. I'm just going to stick you back to see if you get through it.
Christy, you want to see?
No, I'm alright.
I don't need one.
I never shot either.
Huh?
Don't create that Oslo kicks harder.
Come here. Sit down.
Is Ben coming again?
That was fun, wasn't
Yeah, I love shooting that guy.
it? That is fun. Well, we got it ready for early muzzler season.
One more hour.
Yeah, careful breaking that. That'll catch it. Oh, something dropped.
Good shoot, Pop.
I like
Huh?